Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna show you how to secure a perfect domain for your food and beverages business on your online store on Shopify. So as you see here, first thing here, you have to go to the home page and follow this setup guide right here. So the first thing here, you have to add your first product. Okay, so as you see, you can add the product. So you can add the title, and here you have to add the paragraph. You can generate the text right here. Just describe what you want in your text, and it's gonna create for you. Here also you can upload the media. Here you can customize the pricing options. You can customize the inventory and the quantity, the shipping. So after you're done, you can save it from here. Let's move on to the next step. So here you can customize your online store. Okay, so you can choose a theme and add your logo, colors, and image to reflect your brand. So as you see, you can select your favorite theme right here. Now let's move on to the next step. So here you have to name your store. So as you see, here you have to add your store phone, and after this save it. And let's move on to the next step. So here you have to set your shipping rates, choose where you ship and how much you charge, so your customers can see their shipping costs at checkout. Let's move on to the next one. Set up a payment provider. Choose a payment provider to start accepting payments. And the last one here, place a test order. Make sure things are running smoothly by placing a test order from your own store. Okay, so that's it. Here you can before you launch your store, you have to fix the settings right here. So start with the store details. So the first thing here, the profile, you can manage it. You can manage the billing information, the store currency, the time zone, and units of measurements. So after you're done, you can just save it and continue. Now let's move on to the plan. So here you can pick your plan. As you see here, you can select the basic or select Shopify or advanced. So you can all of them, you can pay just $1 for your first month. And here we have more ways to sell. So here we have these two here, just $1 for your first month. And the third one here, you have to pay $2,300 for 3 years. So that's it. Now let's go back and let's move on to the billing. So as you see here, you can add the payment method for purchase and bills in Shopify. So here you have to enter your information, the card number, the expired. Here you can add the billing address, your country and region, the first name, the last name, the address, and after this you can add the credit card. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next settings, the user and the permission settings. Here you can manage what users can see or do in your store. Also here we have the staff accounts. You can select a subscription plan that includes additional staff accounts and control who can do what. Okay, so let's move on now to the payments. So as you see here, you can choose a providers that enable you to accept payments method at a rate set by the third party. An additional fee will apply to new orders once you select a plan. Here you can manage the payment capture method. Now let's move on to the checkout. Okay, so as you see here, you can manage the customer contact method, the customer information, the full name, the company name, and the address line, the shipping address, phone number, the marketing options, the shipping, the address, collection preferences, the order processing. and here you have to add additional scripts. So after this you can save it and continue. Now let's move on to the customer account. So nothing special here, just if you want to manage domain or customize the themes, customize classic customer accounts in your online theme. um, Here we have the domains. So today we're gonna focus how to secure perfect domain for food and beverages. So let's go. So as you see here, you have to buy a new domain and now search for your domains. um, just like this, you can choose something related to your domain, like food and beverages, and now you can buy a domain. So you have to pay $15 for every year. And here we have other results, like if you want to buy something different. So that's it. So I have to go back to the billing and fix something here, so I didn't. So you just have to follow the steps that I said and it's gonna works with you. Okay, let's move on to the customer events. As you see here, you can add the customer pixel, you can add the pixel name. Now let's move on to the brand. So as you see here, you can add the logos, the default logo or a square logo. Here you can add or manage the colors, the primary and the secondary color. For example, you can choose your favorite color, and you can add the cover image. You can add brand start statement or tagline often used along with your logo. Here you can add the short description, and the last thing here, the social links for your business often used in the theme footer. So you can choose Facebook link or Pinterest or Instagram or whatever you want. So after this, save this. Okay, save it and go to complete the fixing. So here we have the notification section. So as you see here, you can customize and manage the customer notifications, the staff notifications, the fulfillment request notifications, or the webhooks. If you want to add another language, a new language, just click here and select whatever you like. And here we have the custom privacy. You can add or manage the privacy policy, cookie banner, or the data sales opt-out page. Here we have, you can manage the marketing settings. So that's it. So now after you're done from this, after you follow this setup guide and fixing the settings right here, all you have to do now is launch your store and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.